Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a free Google Business account, also known as Google Business Profile, and I'll walk you through the full process step by step, even if you've never done this before. Let's start from the beginning. Step 1, go to business.google.com. Now, click on Start Now. Here, set your business name. Type your business name exactly how you want it to appear on Google Search and Google Maps. If your business already exists, Google may suggest it. Select it if it's yours, or continue to create a new one. On the next page, choose what your business type is, if it's online retail or local store or service businesses. For example, I'm going to choose online retail and then press on next. If you chose online store, you must add a website. If you don't have one though, you can just press skip. In here, choose your business category. This is very important. Pick the category that best describe your business does, like restaurant, online store, electrician, or consultant. For example, I will pick consultant, but make sure to be very specific. For example, in consultant, there's many types of consultants, so make sure to pick the exact one that you do. This helps Google show your business to the right audience. Step 4, add your location or service area. Google will ask if customers visit your location. If yes, enter your business address. If no, choose service area business. After you do this, click on next. Now enter your contact details. Enter your phone number. If you don't have a business phone number yet, you can just press on skip. Now verify your business. Verification is required. Google may offer postcard by mail, phone call or SMS, email verification, or video verification. Follow the instructions exactly. Verification can take a few minutes or a few days depending on the method. Now, simply after verification, complete your profile. Add business hours, photos and logos, description of your business and service or products. The more you complete your profile, the higher you can rank on Google. Step 8, manage and optimize. You can now respond to reviews, post updates, answer questions, and track insights like views and calls, all for free. Important tips: never use fake information. Google can suspend your profile. Keep your hours and contact details updated. Ask happy customers for reviews to grow faster. In short, go to google.com/business, add business name and category, enter location or service area, verify your business, and optimize your profile. That's how to set up a free Google Business account from start to finish. No payment, no hidden steps, and huge benefits for visibility and trust. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.